Say when.
When?
Yeah, you'll never guess who's here. Think 90s. No, BoJack Horseman from Horsin' Around. No, I mean, he got a little fatter, but it's definitely him. He looks really sad. It's hilarious. Get over here now!
I told you I don't know where it is. Don't put things in my butt if you want them back.
And hold for Princess Carolyn, please.
Thanks, Laura.
When you're walking alone,
Because jellicles are angelicals too. Jellicles to a jellicle.
BoJack, it's your favorite agent.
Yeah, some agent. You couldn't even get me in the room for Warhorse. There were like 10 horses in that movie. I didn't need to be the Warhorse.
Listen, dummy, I want to make sure you're all set for your first day with Diane tomorrow.
Is she gonna ask me a bunch of personal questions?
The woman we're paying to ghostwrite your memoir? Yeah, probably.
Okay, all right. There's no need to get...
What, catty? Are you gonna say catty?
I was not gonna say catty.
All right, what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say catty. Because you're a cat?
Goodbye, BoJack.
Laura, I know you're listening. You got it, right?
Laura, do not respond to him. Goodbye, BoJack.
She got it. Excuse me. I just wanted you to know that you ruined someone else's night tonight. And I hope you have enough decency to at least feel a little bit crappy about it.
Excuse me?
I was actually already in a bad mood, but I thought maybe for one night I could go out to a bar and try to forget about myself. But now, because of you and your friends, I feel more self-conscious than ever.
If we were bothering you so much, why didn't you just leave?
Because I didn't think of that and now I feel stupid.
Look, I have a right to be
No!
here.
Maybe because you're skinny, and maybe because you're pretty, you're used to getting away with things. But I want you to know that your actions have an effect on others, and I hate you, and you are a horrible person. And you not understanding that you're a horrible person doesn't make you less of a horrible person.
You think I'm pretty?